Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable, poofy, curly, summer deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, 6-inch deco mesh, scissors or a rotary cutter, and chenille stems. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is place my stems on my actual wreath ring. I have cut my stems in half. And there are multiple ways you can place your stems, but this time I'm going to go with the stem on my outer two rings, and then the next stem on my inner two rings, and then back to the outer two rings. Sometimes I just go with two on the inner, two on the outer. Just depends on how I'm feeling and the style of wreath that I'm working with. The pattern that I'm going with this time: outer two, inner two, outer two, outer two, inner two, outer two, all the way around my ring. So once you have all of your stems in place, it's time to add your mesh. And this time I'm going to layer my mesh, one on top of the other. Sometimes I would layer with the colorful mesh and then the white mesh, but I'm going to layer two striped mesh rolls together. Fold it to a nice little point. Start on my outer ring, place my mesh, and twist it a couple of times. I'm going to pull to make a poof. The size of the poof, that is completely up to you. You can make it as large or as small as you'd like for it to be. You can even measure the size of the poof if you choose to do so, but I just kind of estimate and go from there. So once you have your desired size for your poof, you're just going to place it in the next outer stem and twist it a couple of times. And then once again, make another poof and place it on the next outer stem and twist it a couple of times. So I'm just going to continue repeating that step all the way around my outer ring. So as I come back to my starting point, I'm going to make another poof, untwist my stem, place my mesh, and twist it back in place. Then I'm just going to cut away the excess mesh and tuck it away. Alright, so my outer ring is complete. Now I'm going to repeat the steps on the inner ring. Again, coming back to my starting point, same thing. I'm going to make a poof, untwist my stem, place my mesh, and twist it back in place. Alright, so I have cut the rest of my mesh into 8-inch long pieces, and I'm just going to roll them into cute little curls and place them on the stems around my wreath. You could roll them at diagonals if you choose to do so, but for this specific wreath, I do want to have them in cute little curls, because it's just so adorable. So I have two curls. I'm going to just crisscross them, scrunch in the center, place it in my stem, twist it a couple of times, and tuck it away. So again, two more pieces. And the number of pieces you place in each bundle, that is completely up to you. You can go with more or less. You can go with 5 or 6 pieces in each bundle. It's whatever you prefer. Alright, I'm going to get all of my bundles placed and show you what it's looking like. So inner ring is complete. Now I'm going to move on to the outer ring. Again, repeating the exact same steps all the way around my outer ring. So I have all my mesh in place. It's so cute and poofy. You can keep the poofs layered like this, or you can separate the layers. I've done both. It just depends on the specific wreath, but I think for this one I'm going to leave the mesh layered just to kind of pull out more of the striped colors. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer. Alright, so I'm just adjusting and maneuvering. I think I'm going to separate my outer ring and leave the inner ring layered. Good thing is you can do whichever way you prefer. And the ring is still a little visible underneath the wreath, but it's not that huge of a deal to me. But you can also use a different color wreath ring, or you can spray paint this wreath ring white or yellow or whatever color that matches your color scheme. You can also add in any additional embellishments you want. You can add in an adorable sign to the center, some decor throughout the wreath. Whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.